Oh well, all this rain's cleaned my visor anyway. I left my wet gear on, dried off a bit, so it's doing the job. And I guarantee it'll bloody rain again, so I've left it off for a bit. So boys and girls, single file. Here we go. Still have moisture in the air. Should be well over 1,000 miles by the time I end this trip. With the mileage going back as well, I'm on 700 plus now. So I know it's 400 odd to get home, and that's from lower down. Racking up the mileage. Well, it's holding off anyway. Not as bad as it was earlier on. I stopped, honest to God, I was like, what'd I do? There's no way like I could shelter, it was just rain. Could have gone in the shop, like, would have been a bit cheeky in there. Going in the spa and have a look around, look at the magazines for a half hour. Oh, here it comes. Relentless it is. I suppose you've got to expect the rain now if you're coming up here. I'll be ready for it, like. Lube. I don't know. I don't know how you say that. Loopity. Be honest, I didn't know what to expect with Isle of Skye. I don't know. I didn't. Just ride around an island, you know. But there's a bit more to it, and I'm looking at this and assuming I'm going up there. Marvellous. Look, road goes all the way down there and then all the way up there. There's nothing behind me, but there's plenty in front of me. That's where I want to live, by there. Quite happily live here. What a road though. Barren, isn't it? God. That's mad, isn't it? Definitely a country of mountains, eh? The odd little waterfall. Good measures. Oh, this is beautiful. Ah, going up there. A water stream coming down the mountain. Gotta go somewhere, haven't I? All this pissing water. Woo, look at that! Another bloody world, isn't it? I'm glad I done it now. I had no time. I wouldn't have had time to do the North 500 run. Wouldn't have had time to do that. Coastal 500 coastal. But yeah, This is good. Oh, look at that for a view. And there's a bigger mountain. Whoa. A bit tired now, folks. The tea's soft soon. Okay then. Poor tree. Oh, I just don't got it in me today. What's that all about? I ain't got it in me today. No one McDonald's here. Could do with an Happy Meal. Cheer me up a bit. Oh, I don't think they're $1.99 anymore, are they? Yeah, I love that. Love how the clouds rolling over the mountain like. And that one rock, that's awesome. I wonder how big that is. It's not that big, it's not that small, is it? Let's go up there, is it? Coming with me? I got a pair of trainers. And there, that's quite spectacular, really. Actually wonder why I was still standing up there. I know. I'm glad all that track in front of me is gone now. The traffic, I should say. That's mad, that, isn't it? Yeah, so I don't know what to do from now. I think I'll go back then. There's a campsite in the middle of those big mountains. I'll check. I want a signal. I talk to my missus, so if I don't get one in, I'll keep on moving. Yeah, that's the hell of a. I'd like to walk up to that, to be honest. I'm not gonna like you. I won't do it now, of course. That'd be just fucking mad. What a bitch, I guess. Mad, isn't it? A girl, like, you know? Camera. Yeah, they walk up to it. I thought they would. See? Yeah, I'd like to do that. Oh, come on then. Like I was saying, for somebody that's very empty of people, there's a lot of people here. Do you know what I mean? Very busy. I know I'm here as well, but it's paused it a bit. I don't know. Oh, the open sea. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Almost at the top now. I gotta stop saying that. It's your fault, Richie. Get it down. Oh, look at that. Look at that view. Fucking hell. Huh? Mount Glen there. Courtney, Mount Glen. Look, I'm trying to think of Scottish words. Give me a 5. Hang on, I'll cut this bit out. Mount Agus. It's Mount Agus there. And then there's Mount Battered Mars Bar there. What are they all about? I don't know. I haven't seen one. I'm scared that if I do see one, I will eat it. And I'm a bit scared about that. Being confronted with a battered Mars bar. I don't know, it's nerve-wracking. I don't want to put myself in that position. Lucky enough, the 2 chippies I've gone to so far do not serve battered Mars bar. It hasn't happened yet. There's a good chance now, hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't happen. I do not want to put myself through that position where I see it and I've got to order it, you know what I mean? Just because it's there, you know? Pictured by the Glen, of the Glen McGlen. See you in a minute. Sometimes you just gotta stop. I don't know, look at that there. It's amazing. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I just, oof, that's mad. Sometimes you've gotta stop. Look, somebody there, stopped. He's found nature, see? He's found it. Oh, he's lost it. He's looking for it again in his camera. I think he found it then for a bit. He's looking at something on the floor. I think it was nature. Alright. Yeah. Ah, stunning. Stunning. God, I'm a long way from home. Come on, Barry. Time to move on. Gotta stop stopping. Sound like I'm out of breath as well. I'm not. I'm just putting it on. Okay then, let's move. Fast road this is though. I think I'm on gravel pulling off, so. Ow! Ow! See, you've stopped, right? Look at that there. It's a little ridge of them. Blue Ridge Mountains of Skye. Oh, that was a big kitten with wings. It's head on, took me on. I think he's smarting a bit now though. But I've got to keep on moving. Time is running away with me. I'm going to be stuck on this island today. I can think of worse places to be stuck. Fact. Alright, now I got second wind. That's because I've been enjoying this. I'm on a bit of a downer. I took a wrong turn in and decided to drive down around the other side of the island. Didn't really want to be there, because I wanted to be up here. But I'd gone down too far actually. But it turned out alright. I haven't gone that far out of my way. You know. Wherever I lay my tent, that's my home. That's just the way it is. If I can fix my pole, because I cracked it. Split it down the middle. It's a side crack, so it's alright. Like a split all the way down, so if I bought gaffer tape. Bloody bikers! That's all we get around here! Sick of them! Bloody sick of them! Right with their engines! Why are they gonna rev their engines? Why don't they just ride them? Foreigners. Lovely. Salt the earth! Bread and butter, that's what they are. Bread and butter for Scotland. I'm a foreigner. That little cranky had everything to do with it. I'd have to show my passport. Them all dots there. That's got to be a kind of museum, something like that, isn't it? Look at it. I'm going to have to have a look at this tonight. Oops. That's not funny. God. But he wasn't happy when he ditched her. God knows what damage done to the bottom. Oops. His missus. Missus was going for one. Going for gold. Okay, folks, it's 20 to 6 now. Long all day. I gotta start thinking about a campsite now. I saw a few on the way into Skye, so let's just check them out. There's some mad drivers up here. Single lane and he overtook me, like, you know. That's all about. There were 6 cars in front of me. Look at that cloud over that mountain. That's great, that, isn't it? That's great. I went to the Skye Museum, had a little look around. It was shut in, so, well, it said 20 minutes, so I had a little quick shifty around. Interesting, but could have done with a bit more time in there. Oh, they used to live back in the day. And if you wanted to go into town, it'd take you a day to walk there. If you was lucky, if you was a lucky person who had an horse, half a day. Half a day. That's Mr. Lucky on his horse, that is. On Bess. I got a bad feeling about tonight. Just gotta move on. Move on. Fuel, get some milk, get some water, find a campsite. Well, I'm not that far away. That's good. Been lucky with the weather again today. We had that one downpour and it rained all last night, but it's been good. Gloves are dried nicely on hands. Water, milk, food, all sorted. Fuel, done. Full tank again. Just need a campsite now. Oh, I don't like it that high, but I've had to put my food in there. A little extra compartment helps a lot. It is now 6:20. I'm still on Skye. Spent all day on here, really. Good roads, worth it, scenery, great crack. Well, I'm not going to get to Fort William, am I? That's an hour away. That's like 8 o'clock. I don't want to go there again anyway. Okay, I think I've got a campsite. Fingers crossed.